Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Critical points look tricky, but this one is fast if you read the graph of f prime carefully and count where f can actually qualify. A critical point of f happens where f prime equals 0 or where f prime is undefined, as long as f itself exists there. So that is exactly what we hunt on this graph.
Based on the graph of f prime, count every x value in 0 to 14 where the derivative hits the x-axis, including the place where it is tangent, because 0 still counts.
Additionally, prime isn't undefined at some extra interior point in the given graph, so the total stays 3 critical points, which matches option C.
Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust the given graph and check each step before counting every critical point.